Why Telegram not send code? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve if Telegram does not send you codes, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if Telegram is not basically sending you codes, there are a couple of ways you can actually hopefully fix it. First of all, when you open up Telegram, it will ask you to start using your phone number and enter your phone number. But when you enter your phone number, when you tap the next option, now you might be expecting the code to be received on your messages app. Chances are sometimes Telegram will not send it in the messaging app. So where do they send them? Where Telegram sends them on the devices where your Telegram account is still logged in. So if your account is still logged in on your desktop, your laptop, or maybe on your friend's phone or somewhere like that, Telegram will send the verification code to the Telegram account on those devices where your account is still logged in. So you have to open the Telegram app there and check if you receive any sort of codes. And then from there, if you don't get it, then you'll find the option to tap there and get the code via SMS, which is normally going to be at the bottom. If you're still not getting the code, do not try from the same page over and over again. You can try updating your Telegram app to the latest version, and then once you have done that, you can go ahead and long press the Telegram app icon, tap the I button here. Then from there on, you can simply go to the storage tab that you would be able to find it, clear the cache box, go to manage storage, and then make sure to clear the local database here as well to see if that actually helps you. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically actually get Telegram and then fix if it's not sending a code. If you have any issues, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.